how to use MS Word and what is MS Word and which are the features of MS Word. As you know, MS Word is a word processing software developed by Microsoft. It can use to write letters, stories, notices or any other documents. Steps to open MS Word: click on Start button, then found all programs. Other you directly found Microsoft Office Word 2007. Click here. As you see, this environment opens. There are so many types of features and other types of features available on this environment. Firstly, we look the screen of MS Word. As you know, this is your document to Microsoft Word. This is your title bar. This is your minimize, maximize, and this is close button. Here you look, this is office button, which are used to create a new document, open documents, save as documents, print document, etc. Sends, publish, close. So many types of works available on this. Firstly, we start menu, click on start menu and go on Microsoft Office Word 2007. This environment open, maximize it and then look. These are your tabs: home tab, insert tab. These tabs are available, so many tabs. As you look, its uses and its types of uses are different, because home tab is used to uh, select any type of font size, bold, italic, underline, spelling, grammar mistakes, central, and left or right text on your document. This is your bulletin styles, number styles, so many types. This is your minimize the font, decrease the font and increase the font. But how? Look, numbers also used to increase or decrease the font. As you look, that is, if you select it, how to select it? Yes, and increase or decrease the font. You can also color the font. Yes, so many types of color available, more color available on this window. You can use to bold, italic or underline also on the font. Uppercase, sentence case, lowercase, capitalize is toggle case available on this environment. So we can use here. So how to create a new document? Click on office button and go to new option. Select blank documents and create option is available, then press it. Okay, this is your new document. I have available predefined MS Word documents, that is how to create your documents on MS Word. So look, today's topic is more on MS Word 2007. As you look, chapter 3, introduction of Microsoft 2007. As you know that MS Word is a word processing software developed by Microsoft. It acts as writing pads for you, where you can write letters, stories, notices or any other documents. So many features available on this Microsoft 2007. As you look, features of Microsoft 2007. First feature is spelling and grammar, changing case, inserting clip arts, inserting word art, inserting shapes, inserting symbols and characters, inserting smart art, applying shadow effects. So many features available on the MS Word. As you look that if we write any types of information, then you see a dot underline any word. This is your mistakes. So as you look, there is a mistake. This option spelling or grammar option. First feature is spelling and grammar option. We see that this option indicates about the spelling and grammatical mistakes in the documents. A red web lines under a word headlines a spelling mistake. If anybody you know that and green line web line under the MS Word sentence indicate the grammatical mistakes. To rectify you mistakes, you have to click on review tab. As you look, review tab, and click on spelling and grammatical mistakes. As you look, then choose your spelling, then change or ignore, okay, otherwise cancel. If you're mistaking, yes, this option, so check inserting word art, inserting word, change, close, okay. This is your mistakes, because here is some mistakes, spelling mistakes, grammatical mistakes or sentence mistakes. So go on preview tab and check the mistakes. Next option is changing case. If you want to change your case, as you look, you can select it. As you look, these are in small letters. If you want to change, you see it on upper cases or capitalize each word or toggle cases. So 5 types of cases available in this environment. As you look, firstly we give on your MS Word environment, and then select your option, and then after you can select your sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word, toggle case, etc. So many types of 5 types of cases available in MS Word. You can select it. If you want to select the upper case, then look, these are in small letter. You select upper case, then these changes are upper case, okay. If you want to lower case, then select lower case. If you select on capitalize each word, So each word of the sentence is capitalized. If you want to show on toggle case, what is toggle case? Toggle case means first character is small and all characters are capital. As you look, so we can use sentence case. Okay, next option of your MS Word is inserting clip art. So how to open clip art? Press insert menu and choose the option clip art. Where is the option of clip art? In insert tab. This option is clip art. As you look, this error message has come because Microsoft Word cannot display clip art. How? If you want to insert pictures, then click on this area and select the pictures. This. Okay, any types of pictures in your computer, so select it. This is your family picture, then select it and minimize it. As you look, your family picture, move the cursor on the down area and select it and go to manage its size. Yes, as you look, this is your inserting picture clip. Okay, next option on your computer is inserting word art. What is word art? What is word art? This facilities gives you the option to select the pattern of your text. Your text means go on insert tab and select your word art option. Insert decorative text on your document. You can choose any types of font. Yes, and right here. Good. Choose the font style, short, bold, italic, underline, or any types of other geographical or so many. OK option. This is your word art. You can increase or decrease also. Next is inserting pictures. As you look here, this is your inserting pictures option. Yes, this. And again, next option is inserting shapes. Go on insert tab and take shapes. So many types of shapes available on this environment. So you can, if you want to select a triangle, then select a triangle and draw here. Okay, shapes. Inserting symbols and special characters are available on insert tab. So many types of special characters and symbols also available on this font. So as you look, these are symbols. So many types of symbols available on more symbols also available on your MS Word documents. Go on insert tab and select symbol option, and then you found the multiple types of symbols available on MS Word environment. Okay, as you add the rate and then insert option. Okay, then again this close. Then again is smart art. This is also available in insert tab. As you look, this is your insert smart art. This feature is allow you to add various features graphics to the documents. To add the smart art, follow the given steps. ये आपको एडवांस फीचर्स ऑफ ग्राफिक्स डॉक्यूमेंट्स क्रिएट करने में यूज किया जाता है, और इसको इंसर्ट करने के लिए आपको सबसे पहले इंसर्ट टैब पे जाना पड़ेगा। उस देन आफ्टर यू सेलेक्ट द स्मार्ट आर्ट ऑप्शन एज यू सी, देन illustration group, then go on illustration. So many types of groups available on your desktop computer or laptop computer. Then select the smart art. If you want to design a smart art, then select it and click on OK button. Yes, you can select here. These are used to select how to prepare your multiple types of records. As you look, today's coronavirus are increases, so how many patients in UP, how many patients in MP, and how many patients are Delhi. Okay, so you can also set here multiple types of cities name. Jammu and Kashmir, and again it's so many types of जैसे Punjab. Okay, so you can insert here a feature that is smart art. So as you look, my dear students, that there is your computer practical, that how to manage your or open your MS Word documents within your computer system. So read it and note these points on your copy. Thank you. Have a nice day. I am your subject teacher Om Hari Prakash Tripathi. Thank you. Have a nice day.